Hello lovelies, I wanted to give you a 1 week update of my butt implants. These are just all the things that I can do since the 3-day post-op update that I will also link below so that you can catch up on that if you haven't seen it yet. First things first is I can walk more normally. I can't walk as fluidly as I can. Wearing flip-flops hurts and it feels a chore to have to lift up the slipper when I walk. However, this is how I am currently walking. I know that doesn't seem like a big deal to you guys, but when you first get butt implants, it's impossible, and you will literally walk right after the surgery. You will walk like you can only move past your knees, so it looks like this, and it looks really weird. Looks like you're kind of kicking along. Second update is I still can't bend over. So when I bend, I have to get down on my knees. I have to get down on my knees and then manually pick something up, but I can't officially bend over. Getting down on my knees still is a struggle. Dropping something, it takes a few minutes to pick something up. It's just so silly. I still cannot sit. I have my drains in still, so I have Dr. Kenneth Hughes and I have my drains in for 3 weeks, so I have 2 more weeks total that I have to wear these drains. I have to record every 2 hours the volume of the liquid that's in the drains, and this is what it looks like. It literally comes out of your butt and it's you carry this around. You can't get it wet, you can't get the incisions wet because stitches dissolve in water, so you get an infection. I tally up the total for the day of how many milliliters being secreted, and this is plasma. Just as a heads up, this isn't blood. Blood looks thicker and it's dark. I still can't sit, so when I'm hanging out in the living room, get a cushion, put it under my knees, and I kneel at the coffee table, or I lean over my bed like this. So what you can't see is I have this comfy stool here, and then I lean over my bed, and or I'll have a pillow when I'm relaxing, when I'm watching a show, and or I'll have this really helps with if you have breast implants. When you make this V shape and rest like that, it really helps. I don't know why, and that's actually how I sleep because it has been a struggle to sleep still. I ran out of hydrocodone. It has acetaminophen in it, so it's a painkiller. I need to get a refill because it's really painful. You have to lay on your incisions every single morning. Aside from that, the butt implants hurt and they're very bruised. I'll show you. Is light bruising. Kind of want to get the bruising and the swelling over with, and I talked to Dr. Hughes and he said that since my bum is so small, it'll take 3 months for it to actually drop and settle into place, which I'm not worried about. I will give myself a good amount of time. I'm not in any rush when it comes to healing because I made that mistake the first time I got breast implants. I have 3 more weeks that I cannot shower, that I cannot sit, that I need to take bird baths, and I have to wear drains. So I'm lucky to have a shower head that removes so that I can wash myself below the incisions. So I won't wash my bum where the incision is. I will sponge bath and use a washcloth and soap, and I body brush myself also, all my legs and my feet and everything. Yesterday it was just so refreshing to just kind of feel washed and you feel like a new person. And today I'm gonna go through the challenge of washing my hair again, and I have to lean over the bathroom and it's really hard. I can't get these incisions wet, so I might have a towel go all around here to be safe. However, I think I'm gonna need some help from my husband with that. I have 5 more weeks of sleeping in one position. I can't sit for 5 more weeks. I can't lie on my back, so I can't even rest normally. I'm still eating 100 grams of protein a day. The biggest struggle for me is sleep. So if I cannot sleep comfortably, I literally wake up to the sensation of pain and then have to take a couple pills of painkillers and then try to go back to sleep, because it's just so uncomfortable because you only have one position to sleep, that you're like this leaning on your boobs if you get both the breast implants and butt implants at the same time. But this horrible time is gonna make me relish the wonderful result in the end and appreciate it even more. I already tried on some bikinis, some clothes, and just like looked at myself in the mirror without any underwear, and I feel incredible, because I used to think that I was kind of overweight. A certain time in the afternoon, after you feel bloated, after you've eaten a big lunch, or I would look in the mirror and I would feel fat and I would like look kind of bloated. I had that same feeling today, or like the past few days, and I look in the mirror like stripped down to look at my drains, look at my body, just do a full assessment. Like now that I have a butt, it looks like nothing has changed. Like I still look skinny, not like really skinny, but I look like appropriately healthy, like the way I do, how I want to look. And it's funny how having a really good butt, just like a good butt shape, really helps with that. If you're a person who works out, who's like a physique competitor, or if you just love working your bum out for yourself and do like 1,000 squats. I used to do that for years and it just never worked for me because I never ate enough. Just genetically have a small flat bum, not like a concave bum, because I see people who have a concave bum, they don't do anything about it and they just live with it and they're fine with their bodies. So like it's up to you how you see your body. As you can see, I am willing to go through all this pain, do this to just so I can feel and like look the way I do. And I've tried clothes on and I feel so great and so happy. I know it's like, it might seem like barbaric or weird, but I just feel beautiful. I don't know, I can finally look at my body, and this is exactly my dream body, how I wanted to look. So thank you, Dr. Hughes. One more thing, using the toilet. So when you use the toilet, when you pee, when you go number one, when you urinate, trying to find like the technical term. I use like this thing called the she weenie. Attach it to your body while you pee, and just make sure, like, be sure to use the whole time that you're peeing, and wait a little after, and then like shake it in and then rinse it out in the sink, and then wash your hands. When you need to go number two in the bathroom, stand over the toilet since you can't sit. I also have like this lumbar, like this thing that you sit on, so I'm gonna show you. I lifted my toilet seat and there is nothing more liberating than standing while using the bathroom, because okay, so this is what the she weenie looks like. This is what the lumbar thing looks like you're supposed to put this on the toilet, put your legs, not sit on it with your butt, but put it under your thighs. Go number two. However, I have not been able to use it because I'm freaked out by the sensation. I'm afraid to use it. It's literally just a thing of styrofoam. So if you have extra styrofoam that's sturdy enough to lift your weight, and I mean like you're post-surgery and you're eating a lot of food protein weight, then do it. But I personally would just to advise to stand over the toilet, like squat a little bit, stand over the toilet and go. So I know it's weird, I know it's uncomfortable, but if you have butt implant surgery, nobody's gonna tell you this except me. People are gonna go through butt implant surgery and they're not gonna know what to do, or even BBLs. I hope this helps. I hope this is a good 1 week update. If anything out of the ordinary happens, I'll be sure to update you guys. I'm gonna go week by week and really break down what you can and can't do with your breast and butt implants. I'll have my other videos of recovery linked below in case you want to watch those, and I have a full playlist of cosmetic surgery on all the things you need to know. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to link them down below, and follow me at Gia G Dixon on Instagram. I cannot wait till the day that I can take a proper shower and my incisions are done. For the breast implants, update on them. They're dropping every single day. There's like some dropping. I'm taking pictures every day of my boobs and butt so that I can show the progress on my blog. And all my handles are the same, by the way, so if you try to find me anywhere, I made sure that it's easy to find me. My bruising is pretty much gone. It's healed. My body is loving it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you around.